Welcome back, students. Today we'll see closed packed structure. In closely, how the atoms are arranged. That arrangement only we are going to see in a closed packed structure. That is, example, one type of particles are present metallic, molecular, covalent network solids. Particles or solids will be represented in sphere of the radius. Already I told you that atoms are considered as only in a sphere form only because it is a minute, very minimum surface means we will consider as a sphere only, not rectangular or any shape of the particle. So assume there is only force of attraction existing between the spheres. It get a maximum stable arrangement means that the distance between the two particles should be very minimum. For example, I'm going to explain you that one dimension, two dimension and three dimension. How to understand this one dimension, two dimension and three dimension, I've given a small illustration to you. That is, for example, water is kept in the container on cooling. When you cool this, the freezing of the initially, the circumference of the surface is called a just it is cooled started means it is a one dimension. Then on the surface we have to touch means if it is called as a two dimension. And throughout the volume, how much the cooling is passed is called as a three dimension. So now we are going to apply close packing in one dimension, close packing in two dimension, and close packing in a three dimension. So first session we will see close packing in one dimension. If spheres placed in horizontal row touching each other, only horizontal row. So we are when you arrange the apples or oranges in a one by one in line means that first this is considered one apple. So it has two neighbors. So that is called coordination number is 2. So water, each sphere in contact with the two neighboring spheres on either side. So the coordination number is equal to 2. Now let us see this a center of this atom and center of this atom is called as a edge length. This is called A. And from here center to this corner is called radius. From this corner to the center of this radius. So that is called A equal to 2R. So now we'll see the close packing in two dimensions. So in two dimensional, we are going to see two types of close packing. That is square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Square close packing, hexagonal close packing. So in this AA arrangement and the AB arrangement like that we can say. So in AA arrangement, this is called AA type. Second one is called AB type, AB type. So the horizontal as well as vertical alignment. So this is called horizontally. For example, fruit seller shop, when you go there, they will arrange the apples not like this. If we arrange like this, it will fall down. So what we will see, it is not a stable one. So we are going to compare 2D and two-dimensional and a three-dimensional. So let us see this this thing. In a two-dimensional itself, we can see this arrangement, how they are arranged one by one. So vertically one by one. If the four atoms are contact with each other and with by one central atom, it is a form a tetrahedral void. Already I told you four atoms are in contact, they will form a tetrahedral void. So what? So just to draw the line here, 1, 2, 3, and 3 to 4, and 4 to 1. So we are getting a square. So it is called square close packing. So the coordination number is 4. So for here, this is here the particles are square pack. Square and packing is called square close packing. Occupies 52.4% available space. If it is, they will ask what is the empty space in square close packing means we have to minus 100 minus 52.4. We are getting a 47.6 is the empty space. So now we'll see the particles in every next row are called depressions between the particles of the first row. Here the first row A type. Then second row between these two depression we have kept a atom. So this is called depression between the particles of the first row. That is called A type, B type, A type, B type like it is goes. So it is a AB type. It is called as a AB type. It is now you just to see 6 atoms are touch in contact. No? It produces the octahedral void. So the center atom touched with the 6 atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called hexagonal type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagonal type, that is called A equal to 2 or 1 unit cell. So what now? This coordination number is 6. Central sphere in contact with 6 other sphere. So the void or empty space is formed between 6 atoms is called octahedral void, and also we can call it as a hexagonal close packing. The occupied space is 60.4%. When we compare to this square planar close packing and hexagonal close packing, out of these two, hexagonal close packing, the occupation is 60.4% more. So this is more effective than the square. So what a note bin I have given you, it is a 1 mark question. Hexagonal close packing is more efficient than a square close packing. Here more space is occupied by the spheres. So close packing in a 3-dimensional. So in 3-dimensional close packing are formed from the 2-dimensional square close packing layers. So that is called AA type of lattice points at the only at the corners. So here only at the corners it has a. So sometimes they will ask you if the corner of the atom, how much it have contact, which we see means this number I have written 1, 2, 3, this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6, and this is 6 to 1. So it is contact, this center atom is contacted by the 6 atoms. So the coordination number is called as a 6. So it's a neat question. 3-dimensional close packing from a 2-dimensional hexagonal close pack layers, that is called HCP. Here on the top 6 atoms, at the bottom also 6 atoms. So here 6 by 6 contact each other. There's a coordination number is 12. So it is called A, and this is a trigonal and this is a hexagonal. So third layer can be formed by placing the sphere either the tetrahedral void or octahedral void. So A type, B type, another A type. So this is called AB type arrangement. It's called HCP, and 4 atoms are contact and produces the void is called tetrahedral void. Here in this coordination number is 12. Next, third layer octahedral voids are converted. It gives rise to ABC type. So here this is 6 atoms and 3 atoms, down 1 atom, top 1 atom. So this is called A and B type and C type. So this is called ABC type. ABC type. It created us by 6 atoms are in contact. It produces the octahedral void. The coordination number is 12, double the number of this. Next, it is occupying the spaces of 74%, but it has empty space 100 minus 74, 26%. So that shapes we are going to compare. It is a trigonal. It has 1 void is produced. It is tetragon. 4 atoms. That is called tetrahedral void. 4th atom, this one. 4 atoms are in contact, produce the void is called tetrahedral void. 6 atoms are in contact, produces void is called octahedral void. So octahedral void is very greater than the tetrahedral void is greater than the trigonal void. It is 1 more question. Thank you, students.